Welcome all. Now we will see the next conversion, that is base x to base y conversion. That is binary to octal conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion, octal to binary conversion, hexadecimal to binary conversion, octal to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to octal. Now we will see one by one. First one is the binary to octal conversion. Before that, we will see this table. In this, there are 3-bit binary numbers are given in this column, and these 4, 2, 1 are the positional weights of the each digit in the given binary number. Now we will see how the given 3-bit binary number is written in the form of its octal equivalent digit. Now first one binary number is 0, 0, 0. In this 0 is the MSB and this 0 is the LSB bit. Now we will write the positional weights for each digit. For MSB bit, that is 0, its positional weight is 4. For second 0, the positional weight is 2. And for LSB 0, the positional weight is 1. Now we are going to multiply this positional weight with 0, this positional weight with 0, and this positional weight with 0. After the multiplication, we will get 0, 0, 0. We will add them, we will get 0. So for binary number 000, the equivalent octal digit is 0. Like that, we can convert 001 into the octal number. Now again I will show that also to you so that you can understand very well. Instead of taking 001, I will take this fourth one, that is 011. Again I will write first the positional weights, that is 4 to 1. I have considered the number 0, 1, 1. Now again this 0 is MSB bit and this 1 is LSB bit. Now the first 0 we are going to multiply with 4, second one is multiplied with 2, third one is multiplied with 1. That is 4 into 0 you will get 0, 2 into 1 you will get 2, 1 into 1 you will get 1. Now we are going to add all these terms, 0 plus 2 plus 1. It will give you the equivalent octal number as a 3. This is how the 3-bit binary number can be written as in the form of equivalent octal digit. Now we will see how the given binary number is converted into octal number. We will make the group of 3 bits starting from binary point to the left for the integer part and to the right for the fractional part. Now in this example, the example is 1111.11. Now we will make group of 3 bits starting from binary point. 1111 is the integer part, so we will start from binary point to the left. We will start grouping from binary point to the left. The given integer number is 1, 1, 1 and 1. First we will make the group of 3 bits starting from binary point to the left as 1111. This will be our first group of 3 bits. Now remaining bit is only 1. We have to make group of 3 bits. There are 2 bits less, so we will add 2 zeros in the MSB position to make group of 3 bits. This is our second group. Okay. For fractional number, the fractional number is 1 1. We have to make group of 3 bits starting from binary point towards right, that is in this direction. As in the given example itself, the fractional number is of 2 bits. We have to make group of 3 bits, so we are going to add the 0 in the LSB position. So if you can observe, we have made group of 3 bits. If we are unable to make group of 3 bits, add number of zeros to make group of 3 bits. In the MSB position for integer part, in the LSB position for fractional part. After that, this is how, after that we have to convert each group into the octal number by using the formula 4 to 1. Now this is our first group is what? 0 0 1. So write down positional weights for that, that is 4 2 1. Again multiply the 4 with 0, you will get 0, 2 with 0, you will get 0, 1 with 1, you will get 1. So for 0 0 1, you will get equivalent octal number by adding 0 0 1 as a 1. Okay, second group is what? 1 1 1. In that we will write again the positional weights, that is 4 2 1. This 4 is multiplied with 1, this 2 is multiplied with 1, and this 1 is multiplied with 1. So we will get 4 into 1 4, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 1 1. We are going to add all these terms, that will give you 7. This group will give you 7 and this group will give you 1. Now next group is 1 1 0. Again I will write the positional weights above. 4 2 1, multiply 4 into 1 4, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 0 0. Add all these terms, 4 to 0, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0 0. So this 1 1 0 will give you equivalent octal number as 6. So we will get 17.6 as a octal number for given binary number. This is how the binary to octal conversion can be done. In the table, the equivalent octal numbers have been shown. Okay. Now next we will see, these are the examples given for your practice binary to octal conversion. First one is 1 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 0. In that we are going to form again group of 3 bits, that is starting from right to left for integer part. 0 1 1, this will be one group. After that 0 0 1, this will be our second group. After that 1 1, one bit is less to form group of 3 bits, we will add 0 to make group of 3 bits. This will give you 3, this second group will give you 4, and this will give you 6, that is 3, wait a minute, that is 3 4 and 6. This is how the given binary number is converted into octal number. The next example is solved like the previous one. This you can see and cross check the answer, and these are the exercises for your practice. Next one is the binary to hexadecimal conversion. In this again first we will see this table. Like same as the 3-bit binary number is converted into octal, the 4-bit binary number can be converted into hexadecimal number by grouping 4 bits. This is how in this table it is shown. For 3-bit we have taken 4 to 1 positional weights. For 4-bit we have to consider 8 4 to 1 positional weights. For example, I will show you how the 4-bit binary number is converted into equivalent hexadecimal digit. For that we will take one example, that is 0101. Now in this 0101, write down again positional weights over there, that is 8 4 2 1. Now this 8 is multiplied with 0 will give you 0, plus this 4 is multiplied with 1 will give you 4. Again 2 is multiplied with 0 will give you 0, plus 1 will multiplied with 1 will give you 1. Adding all these terms we will get 5 as a equivalent hexadecimal number. So for 0101 you will get 5 as a hexadecimal number. This is how all the 4-bit binary numbers are converted into the hexadecimal number. You can check for the rest of the binary number. Now we will see how the binary number is converted into hexadecimal number. For binary to octal conversion we have made group of 3 bits. Here we are going to make group of 4 bits. Only the difference is grouping of 4 bits. Rest of the things are same like binary to octal conversion. The example is 101111.11. Again in that for integer part we are going to make group of 4 bits towards left, and for fractional part we are going to make group of 4 bits towards right. Now starting from binary point, for integer part we will get 1 1 1 1. This will be our first group of 4 bits. Next group will be 0 1. Now to make group of 4 bits we are going to add 2 zeros at the MSB position. So these are the two groups. For fractional part we will get 1 1 2 bits. To make group of 4 bits we will add 2 zeros at the LSB position. This will be our third group of 4 bits. Now we have to write equivalent. For 0010 we will get the hexadecimal equivalent as 2. I have explained this previously how this equivalent number can be found out. After that next group is 1111. For this we will get the hexadecimal number as 15, which can be written as F. Next group is 1100. For this you will get the equal number as 13 14 15 15 14 13. Equivalent number is 12, which can be written as C. This is how for given binary number we will get 2F.C as a hexadecimal number. This is how we can convert the given binary number into octal and given binary number into hexadecimal. Thank you.